Here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, and materials been wetted to help highlight the colours and patterns. Just polish the face the way it is. Obviously have to cut the back down. The piece has been pre-shaped, so basically rub. Unfortunately it's got the chip out there, but that's still acceptable for a lot of people. This isn't very expensive. Good place to start if you want to have a couple of Boulder Opals. Not a lot of investment. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.